Welcome to another one of my basement wall videos. We are here in Philly, city of brotherly love, to transform this basement into a usable space. As you can see, the walls are stony. They lost their outer layer of cement, allowing for mice to come in and water and dampness and dust. But we are hired here to fix this basement. And when we are finished, all of the holes will be filled and these walls will be flat. A job like this, I like to use my cement sprayer. And what the sprayer does is it actually sprays the cement straight into the holes and the deep pockets. Now, if you notice in this shot here, there's fiber in the cement, and that fiber helps to keep the cement from falling out of the holes, and it helps to just reinforce the cement and keeps the cement from cracking. So we add the fiber straight into the mixer, and it's actually made out of glass. It's fiberglass. Does a wonderful job with adding durability to our work. Like I said, this job is going to require a lot of coats of cement. And this cement sprayer is the perfect tool for this job. As you can see, we are making progress with this stony wall. You're also filling around hot water tanks, furnaces, anywhere rats can come into the basement. Now that the wall is dry enough for it to be sponged, and this is the process of helping to level the wall and flatten the wall. Here in this scene, we are applying the glue to the wall. The glue helps it so that the cement will help stick to the wall. It makes the job more durable. For our cement mix, we use bar sand, we use lime, we use Portland cement, and of course fiber.
My name is Maria, and the gentlemen were here doing the work, and I am so very, very pleased. This is the second home that he did in this block, and I saw his first work, and that made me get him and his workers, and I have no problems. He got some of the good spots and the bad spots, and the bad spots became the good spots. And I thank Mr. Douglas and his workers so much.
Thank you.
Now, sure.
Okay.
I told the gentlemen too. I thanked them all. They were so nice.
Yeah.
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 So.
Please like, share, and subscribe.